welcome, amazing ladies and stunning women, to my new video. Today, we are diving into the world of short hairstyles. If you have been looking for some incredible ideas to rock a pixie cut or style your short hairs perfectly, then you have come to the right place. I'm here to guide you through the process and help you achieve that perfect head turning look. Now, ladies, we all know that your hair plays a significant role in defining your overall style and confidence. That's why I have created a collection of mesmerizing styling tips and ideas that you're absolutely going to adore. With these techniques, you will see a remarkable transformation in your hair that will leave you feeling empowered and beautiful. Just picture it, ladies. The magic and charm of these fabulous pixie cuts will elevate your overall look. From subtle highlights to bold undertones, prepare to be amazed as you witness the breathtaking difference between your hair's appearance before and after trying out these stunning styles. I apologize for any background noise you may hear. Please bear with me, and I promise it will not decrease the enjoyment of this video. Now let's get down to the business. I have an array of short hair styling ideas lined up exclusively for you. These hairstyles are not only trendy but also highly impactful. They are specifically designed to cater to your hair's fancy, whether you prefer a zip pop, a pixie cut, or any other fabulous short haircut. I promise, ladies, you will fall head over heels in love with these ideas. Let's talk about the incredible charm of grayish color, whitish color, and blackish color. Can you imagine how absolutely gorgeous your hair will look with these shades? The combination of colors, black and gray, creates a sophisticated and timeless elegance that is simply adorable and fantastic. These are the best of the best hairstyling ideas tailored exclusively for you. Oh, and don't worry if English is not your first language. I apologize, my English is not perfect. But fashion is a universal language that transcends words. To give you a taste of what's in store, I have handpicked some stunning visuals of women rocking different short hairstyles from modern to elegant. You'll find the perfect inspiration to express your unique style. So get ready to unleash your inner fashionista and let your short hair steal the spotlight wherever you may go. But wait, there's more. This video is not just about styling ideas. It is about transforming your entire look. My channel is a trove of valuable content dedicated to helping you in achieving your hairstyle. From step-by-step tutorials to expert advice, I have got you covered. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest videos. Trust me, ladies, you would not want to miss out on the upcoming masterpieces. As we come to the end of this video, I want to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you. Your support means the world to me, and it motivates me to keep creating content that empowers and inspires you in a beauty. Till we met again, may you remain fabulous and continue to shine brightly.